Remakeup the Aju Kamadaya Baubing Outer Manipur Lok Sabha polling Zimik Show Kanithang Sara Jihaira Pungyar Yukrul Chingai polling Kaying Magada Turuptang Ungtaya Lok Sabha election Swivang Manipur Paramilitary Forces Companies Shakani Jihora Jihaira Lake Yangutor, Achu the Tangkul Express Wipau, Rinji Bemmerza in a Pamidale, Baubing Mesa in a Nangrumsa. Munipurli Rod Kamrat Wivang Aina, Outer Munipur Lok Sabha Pool, Simic Shokanithang, Sara Jihaira, Ajahontang, election schedule Shok Migahai Atishuda, Munipurli polling phase Kani Aina Sara Jidale. Election Commission Dudakta Kahai Atishuda, constituencies Kajungawi, polling Tankalikup Sangraka, Outer Munipur with Simic Shokani Haimira. General election he Kaying April 19 li hapokra, Mukha June 1 li kupsang laga, Mukha tarik mati thang result shoki gajina. Inner Manipur wi polling kaying April 19 thang sasera, ka outer Manipur wiva kaying 19 kala, kaying 26 thang la rumiraji. Rod Kamarat murder shok gahai abam, Churachanbur aina chandel na phase 1 wi polling April 19 li zangra, kaying 19 thang outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency wi Assembly segments Tradat Pangazangar. Kaying 19 thang Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency wi Assembly segments Tradat Pangazangra. Jili Hayrok, Wangjing Tenta, Kangabok, Wabgai, Kakjing, Hianglam, Suknu Jandel ST, Saikul ST, Kangbokpi Saitu ST, Henglep ST, Churachanbur ST, Saikok ST, Kala Singhat ST Hibing Hizanga. Taida Kala Assembly segments Strada Gutumna, Kaying 26 Thang Sangra, Chili Juribam, Tengobol ST, Pungir ST, Yukrul ST, Chingai ST, Karong ST, Mao ST, Tadubi ST, Tamay ST, Tangmenglong ST, Nungba ST, Tibaimuk ST, Kala Tanglon ST Hibing Hizangra. Rod Kamrat li Shim Juhong Rokta relief camps, Nata Daidali Pamdakle internally displaced person, IDPS Hibing Wivang Election Commission na Atum Relief Camp Pamli Polling Station Ngranmira. Chiwi scheme chi Jammu and Kashmir wi IDPS Bing Wivang la Haimia. Lok Sabha elections li security mathakawai paramilitary forces companies Shakani Shika Jihora Jihaira electoral process li Mashai Khut Kawai sensitive areas li paramilitary forces companies Shakani deploy Sara the Chief Electoral Officer Pradip Kumar Jana Hanga. Companies Mashingji Arihon with law and order situation yang laga district magistrates kala superintendents of police bingna Taigukui Atishura Katanaji. Manipurli Leda Kalay Security Agencies Pingla, Nisharlak Aina Langor Kawai, Hanghairajia. Aka Kasagaji Duguili Rinda, Aya Ukruli Kalay, Maitena Bingwi, Kazip Kwikahira, Maite Purup Ukrulna, Kare Sada, Ukruli Kalay, Maite Saigora, Kangarum Ranye Makok Mihaira. Kazipji Aya Ukrul Central School li Pamda Ranye Jili, HKL Taiso Bresden, Herbert Lunghar, Hunpunwi Aunga, SDO Dingang Lungamay, SDO IM Block Rohini Kumar, ADM Ukrul Kajangay Kangmay, STC Ukrul Riamay Gangmay, Kala Hanyo Luk Rumsung, NHI DCL Engineer Ukrul Maninganba Atumnawazanga. Mayday Purup Ukrul Bresden Himanda, Ketri Mayumna, Kamatuli Gahang, Atumui Purupi, Derma Makaimana, Mayday Sahauda Hindu Mangmana the Mukui Milu, Jadi Makaimana the Hangsanga. Ex MLA candidate Somadai Shaizana Kamatuli, Mayday in a Tankul may now Nina Gaji, Mushungbaba Maji. Ukruli Clay Mayday now being the Kika Kavataran, I wish him show me shon the later Somadai na Hangsanga. Kalaji Dagam Aina Itumna Infali Gata Adamli, Atumli the special guest Sada Quimia, Juivang Ningshia the Somadaina Hanga. Maninganba MHIDCL Engineer Nagahang, Ari Manipurli Rod Kamrat Yanka Kamar Adamli, Ukrul Abamli, Mayday now being the Ringpalak Aina Gala, Ninglumlak Aina Bamda Clayhi, Taikwilaga Ringpalagachi. SDO LM Block Rohini Kumarna, Kamadili Office Swimeramli Dargargasa Leka, Ali Lahang Kawai Guzum Sanga. Rod Marat the Kalehili, Jingri Kawai Peacemaking Body in Sasa, 1990s with Nagakuki, Kangarer Adamwi Aina Jotlak Aina Ngarer Twilaga, Ajay Ana Ukruli, Bureaucrat Akasada Bam the Lagaji Hanga. Central School we kadam now matriculation li mark chumitui gujuyali lupa tingtra saman mirada SDO Rohini Kumar na baushoka HKL President na kamuduili kazip jiwi dukui oneness kajihi arihon wi angret ling sunda chalangka kaji hangda kadam now bing wi wang long chi leida security wi wang ning makharik la ning lumlak aina dam khilo da kasat sanga Thai so we President Herbert Lungharna maitai avu awabingli kuzum sangda nguchi khwai malai mana guchi hanga luba aina mang genre la dargar ka tharan shorgar la institution li ngur mirajia kala Thai so we office Maring mi school we yangga li semdalai ji khaying jang thargat ka hora da chili khamong show mi shonra da hangsanga long jina maitai ku ki tangkhul da makhai mana itum therma we lyric lila kapi ka hai thada akha aina akha le shi khangrog li shura da Herbert na hangsanga tangkhul ajay gadam na long TAKL we Imphal branch office sem khawai foundation stone gushun ranye kui kahira ranye ji nagaram community hall li kui ka the branch office foundation stone ji phungyer MLA leishio kaising da shunmia kala jiwang TAKL na ningshi gujung ka phongsoka ranye ji li so khami hangmi ka hai Daniel gushung executive secretary SDNBA li la long ji na ningshi mia program li wagazang aje we well wishers ping tangkhul naga aje longphang ZMKL Sambung Tamnalong TNVSA kala units we aina represent Rasami Gahaya Saigori Lila Long China Ningishi Pongshoka Foundation Shunu the building Sempok Kawai Lansin aina Gutomi the Semquilaksa Gujihi TAKL President Yerjiso Kushungna Azeri Chumnao Saigori Hangjipunna Ludhiana li Ngahai 15 Mr. India 2024 Senior Men's and Women's Bodybuilding National Championship li Manipur wi team Maikya Sambang Haira Ngahanji Ludhiana Punjab li Mukhogmida Achahon Tarik Trada Trukthang Hapok Laga Aya Gupsanga Aya result Shok Mamanda Pau Samgapang Aina Tangda Manipur team na gold medal Akha silver Akha bronze Akha da Yuhaira Ngahanji li units tumrada khniwe aina 390 athletes wazanga kalaji railways services revenue board we aina la categories ngata daidali nghangroka Manipur team chi Sanathoi Singh na team manager sa da thanwai RK Manisa Singh na coach saya and Rotan Singh president AMBBA organizing secretary IBBF na Manipur we overall in charge khimia result athishura Manipur we aina khuyui samgaphang bingji United Gym we Nita Singh Laishram na 60 kg men's bodybuilding we li silver medal yuhaira World Gym we Tokchom Sanjida na 55 kg women's bodybuilding we bronze medal yuhaira kala Friends Fitness Gym we Ingudam Gavita Janu na 55 plus kg women's bodybuilding we gold medal samphanga Manipur Lok Sabha elections li Communist Party of India CPI we aina Laishram Sotin Kumar li nganing sagra jihaira Inner Manipur Lok Sabha constituency we CPI candidates Sotin Kumar li nominate saragaji twitak ajahon muyo tarik chada matithang party chiwe national executive kajibli khika ga haina chi CPI la Congress na gathan like minded parties tharawi coalition li zanga Congress aina CPI ling soda Alliance Chile Aim at Me Party Trinamool Congress CPI M Forward Bloc Revolutionary Socialist Party Shiv Sena UBT Janata Dal United Kala Nationalist Congress Party hibing hilazanga Sotin Kumar na Aruhon Manipur AITUC General Secretary la sadalay Imphal West Strong could like sing mibing na oil bum we aina lupa lak agha tangkai shika ngubon thui haira Imphal West Sekmaijin hangun li khalai Yumnam and Son oil bum li mi trada phanga shika na attack rakasana chi ochot hi kupthang ngazin pungmati shika li kushokna oil bum we akhwa why ingobi na police li complain thasangda ochot maram hangjithaya mibing ji SUVS kuthumli dongraya kala atumna staff li naumai jizda CCTV cameras sakhyang mihau chiwi hard drives la kushok mihau office with glass panes la shaukhai mihau POS machine la sakhai mihau wachi atum khara adamli ingobi malai samana police na mibing jili dukui khawai investigate sadalai Zelengrong May 2024 ayang khigada IGP Dr. IK Muiwana mso sada wazanga Kazip Ji Manipur University li mukhok miya, kala ji kum kajida faculty members, research scholars, postgraduate katam nauping aina, zeling rongwi kathanna ping, samkapang ranyena. Professor Dr. Matthew M. Gena, Zeling Rong Welfare Committee with President Sadalay. Dr. Muivana Kasat Kasangli, Akamaguho, Mangrai Kashabji, Ajasa Kawai Hanga. Katam now Gasahi Zingum Magadapanga, Shikali Danga, La Sangmai Kapta Zingum Tumra, Bashunga Gaji Hangda, Katam now Bingna, exams with shortcuts Mapazadla, Gajijana Damdak Late Liramli, expertise Sampankawai, Hotnagi Gajina the Ike Muivana Kasatsanga. Manipur Model Code of Conduct, Hopok Gada, License Kutlai Misang Kawai, Muhot Pokaira. Districts, magistrates being the Kagdami Gahai Atishurda, Yarina License Weapon Singdak Late Saigura, Ichawing Nai Makeup Kuchi Police Station Late Misangra. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumarna, Police Schedule, Jishat Ming Shida Electoral Process Kashungda, Zat Kawai License Firearms, Misang Hauluguchi District Magistrates Order Shopokaira. License could like Kaleva, Hai Salaga State Road Kamrat Hili, Ayin Mutung Maganda could like, Quising the Kalay Shorgarna, Mayang Sankarer, La Makam Quickerer, we Ninka Curricula Laying Roka. Model Code of Conduct later free and fair election Isang Kawai Pekar, Quipok Haira, Ka license weapon Misang Kangsak Mang Maningla, illicit firearms, Zadak Lehi, Kamka Quidagar Sahira. India we country thay league ngahan jumai thui gaji Indian Super League ISL li Manipur we khangreu naw mathalak eina jangdalai ngahan jili Manipur we khangreu naw hangphanga ga da jangdalai kala jina state we eina gajang machine jumai thui gaji ngasaya club ngata dai dali jangda khalai li yangwa kha Manipur we khangreu naw jishat Punjab FC li jangdalai Jamshedpur FC eina North East FC li players to grip janga Kerala FC li phanga Bengaluru FC, Chennai FC, Odisha FC, Kala FC Goa League Matirip, Mumbai City FC Aina East Bengal League Tum, Mohun Bengal League Khani, Kala Hyderabad FC League Anka Zangdalai. Manipur Indian football stars Jackson Singh, Thongojam, Bibin Singh, Thongojam Mohammad Yasir, Hormipam Riva, Chinglen Sana Singh, Utanda Singh, Suresh Singh, Ungayam Muirang, Ningthoi Mitei, Naurem Roshan Singh atum hi ISL season gajida result gaji ranking clubs li Rio da Kalena. Manipur we aina country thay Rio thay shun gahai India mangmaning la internationally Rio gazad la lehaira kala khuni thod la gathem dra kha shok talai 2017 FIFA U17 World Cup lila Manipur we aina khangriao naw ji shajang da country thay liramli state we Kathem Gaza Jithai Haira. Pau Hi Gasang Adam Aina Tangda Manipur we players being we Kathem Gada the Indian Super League ISL League Jithai Haira Sai. Tangkul Gushung Shang Arts and Cultural Union 52 Kumbai Gazib Rihali Mukok Mi Haira. Enel Gazib Jili Gsoda Tangkul Karala Aina Pajab Panit Muyonda Ajahon Muyo Tarik Trada Mati Aina Trada Pangatang Mukok Mia. Shanglang Gahai Awo Ayuing Shan. Shanwai Jonwai, Janhan Lahan, Asak Awat Wikamata Kaleji, Kazib Kui Kawai Gala Shintei Kawai Sada, Tangkul Gushungshang Arts and Cultural Ranyeji Mukokamina. Ranyeji Li Yukul Deputy Commissioner, Zuring La Kenguna Muso was Hadavazanga, DC Zuring La Nagahang, Video Gushungshang We, Festival of Tangkul Folk Song and Folk Dance. Kuchi Ranyeji Cultural Function and Production Grand Scheme We Azingli Ministry of Culture na sponsor Sakamina. Ranyeji ring Palak Moholak Aina Mion Kuyada Tangkul Kushungshang Arts and Culture Union Secretary Todwan Kushungna Pau Miraya. Ajahon Muyo Tarik Tradishini Thangwi Newsly Taiso na expiry od Yorgasa Check Sa Pauli Mushung Kamilaili. Expiry kan Gahai od Yorgashor Pingli fine mukhi mana guchiji mama shungmana dukan de expiry yorgisa kala samkapangli thaisona penalty paraji ajaw khon thangji na kadang masala khanau aina tangda expire sa ga high audio check sashonra richum naw iwang yangsang mi jingra jidalai richum naw sai gorna gutom khami adam gajida ningchang ching dalai da Thaiso Forest and Environment Secretary na hangjipunna dadwida aju khamadaya bawbing Outer Manipur Lok Sabha polling Simik Show Kanithang Sara Jihaira Pungyer Ukraine chingai wi pulling khing magada turuk thang ungtaya Lok Sabha election siwang Manipur paramilitary forces companies shakani jihora jihaira Aju bau hiling jang haira bau ngana da khlaina tum sai gorale ring phagala khama haya jimik shong sa sarano